Hello, today you will learn how to build the imposter detector from Among Us to see who the imposter is. You'll be able to detect the sus level of nearby people and determine if they are the imposter. So all you need to do is grab all these parts, put it together in the same way that I put it like this. And then once you do that, it should turn on. It harnesses energy from around you. So any second now, this thing should harness enough energy to turn on. Okay, we're back, and it has harnessed energy from around the area, and it is now trying to detect how sus the surrounding is, and it seems like it's very, very sus. So something's weird. It's either this thing is broken, or I could be the imposter, or there could be someone hiding in my basement. Let me show you how to build one. First, take your soldering iron. Just make sure it's off before you grab it. You want to make sure you have a good grip on it to make sure it doesn't break or anything. And then all you need to do is turn it on with your other board. And like this, boom! Whoa, we made it! Congratulations, we just made the imposter detector from Among Us. Now we can play Among Us. Okay, I'm just joking. The real way to make the imposter Among Us detector is with hot glue. First, you take all of your hot glue, and you just make sure you hot glue everything in place. The sponsor of this video is Bluetooth Digital Keypad, the app that I used and created to control all of my Arduino projects using Bluetooth. Available on the App Store for free and with no ads. Back to the video. Make sure you have all the components in the right order. Okay, and then it's all good. Just make sure you don't touch the hot glue. It's kind of hot. And I think we're all done. Ready? Snap! Whoa! Wow! We just made the imposter detector again. But this time I used cool editing techniques. Snap! Unfortunately, we accidentally hot glued the prototype to the actual version while trying to make cool edits. There we go. Now you got two Among Us imposter detectors. To use this, all you need to do is just press this button, and then the laser that we added right here will light up and point to see if the imposter is sus or not. Okay, ready, set, push. Whoa, and now we can detect if the imposter's sus. Okay, time to test what this can actually do. Okay, I'm gonna go to the mirror and point the Among Us detector at myself. Oh my god, am I the imposter from Among Us? Oh! It's working! I must be the imposter from Among Us. I'm so sorry for being the imposter. Oh my god, this is really cool that it works, but it's really concerning that I am the imposter from Among Us. I hope that when you build it, that you aren't the imposter from Among Us. Unless you are very sus, then it's alright to be the imposter from Among Us. I hope you like my imposter Among Us tutorial. Now you know how to see if someone near you is sus. Now you can always win Among Us games.